no other person can infringe upon your rights, be it a copy, be it piggy riding.
Welcome all to Business Premier. Today our guest is Mr. Krishna Kumar, Chief Legal Officer, Goodwill and Goodwill. Mr. Krishna Kumar, welcome to the Business Premier. How do you introduce your business in a single sentence?
Goodwill and Goodwill is a management consultancy organization mainly providing professional services in the field of trademark, ISO certification, copyright, industrial designs, patents, barcodes, CE marking and various other services meant mainly for any entrepreneurs.
How you started a business, Goodwill and Goodwill?
See, prior to 1994, I was there in Delhi and other parts of the countries for about 10 years. On coming back from there, I found I was looking for a monopoly kind of a business to venture into. That particular point, one of my close relatives directed me to a particular area and I found it very interesting and just plunged in. From then on, that was the time when nobody was there doing this kind of trademark or ISO certification in the state. So I happened to be so lucky to be the first person to come to this business of intellectual property rights.
What is IPR? I mean, intellectual property right.
Intellectual property rights means any right that is conferred on an individual who has developed a unique idea, a machinery invention, a patent, an industrial design, a trademark or even a literary work that is created by an individual is all called under the name intellectual property. His intellectual property is protected under the Act, under the various acts like Trademark Acts 1999, Copyright Act is there, Patents Act is there, Designs Act is there. All under these acts, various intellectual properties are protected.
How IPR and trademark are useful for an entrepreneur?
See, for any entrepreneur, when they come out with the business, trademark is the most important asset they are going to build over a period of time. Maybe 1 year, 2 year or 10 year, ultimate value is accrued in the name of a trademark. It is not that the plant and machinery is more valuable, the most valuable asset is their goodwill. Trademark is protected as a goodwill of the entity. Then comes other rights, like if they invent a machine, a unique machine, they can apply for a patent and get it protected. There also he get a monopoly right to exploit the value in the market. Next comes copyright. When you develop a new cinematography or a video, it can be protected from piracy from anywhere in the world. Third comes an industrial design, like a design of a bottle, design of a vehicle or a machine can be protected under the Design Act, which again gives you protection for about 15 years. Or any storyline or a advertisement material that they have developed for their own company, it can be copyrighted. So the entire idea of developing goodwill and other things can be protected as intellectual property under the law. Okay. When it comes to the most valuable asset in any entity, take Eastern or any company, it's not the plant and machinery that is more valuable, it is a goodwill which is more valuable than anything else. That is why they sell goodwill for hundreds of crores of rupees. Manufacturing, processing, export, import, or even a small shopkeeper do have a goodwill to be protected.
How good a software can be protected?
Especially for software and all, when a party does the coding, being an employee, the employer has the right to own. He may leave the company and join another company, but he does not have any right to use the same methodology in the other company to come out with the same product. There the entrepreneur is getting the benefit of copywriting. Coding can be protected, employee can be prevented from copying it in another entity.
That's very useful.
Very much.
Okay, is the trademark international valid?
No, trademark is valid only in India. None of the countries allow other countries' trademark to be given protection unless and until you register it in that particular country. If a brand owned by an Indian is applied in UAE, he gets a protection in UAE. If he is not registered in UAE, he cannot claim a right there.
Okay.
But then there is a law called well-known marks. Like Sony is there, which is a well-known mark across the world. If you adopt a brand called Sony for footwear, Indian registrar is not allowed to give that. Likewise, every country has got that law.
Mr. Krishna Kumar, what are the advantages and disadvantages while registering a trademark?
Trademark registration means you are protecting your goodwill. You are preventing any imitation from happening in the market. Your value is protected by all means, so that whatever amount you spend promoting the brand name, developing a market, creating an image, it all remains protected, as in case of you buying a car and insuring the vehicle. It is like buying a car and insuring a vehicle. You are taking a trademark for your goodwill, so that no other person can infringe upon your rights, be it a copy, be it piggy riding, like selling similar product in the market, or spoiling your market by using a fictitious name in the market, or a duplicate product in the market. You're getting a benefit of opening as many branches as you wish. You are allowed to give franchises as you wish. You have a control over the market wherever you go, because you have a registration protected under the Trademark Act. Then comes disadvantages. There are not many disadvantages there for registering a trademark, but in the recent act, GST has been brought in for rice and other products, few other products, wherein they need to pay 5% or some percentage of tax extra than the unbranded, unregistered brands.
Can you explain what are the services Goodwill and Goodwill offering?
Goodwill and Goodwill is primarily a management consulting firm providing services in the field of intellectual property rights, broadly saying, which includes trademarks, copyrights are there, industrial designs are protected, patents are registered, then comes ISO certification of various sort, CE marking, we have GMP, FDA approval, and a host of other services which are required by any business entity. Above all, we offer a set of services which are required by business people, which is given as complimentary.
What do you think is the USP of your company?
We, Goodwill and Goodwill, work on a 24/7. There are no other entity in the field of intellectual property rights in India who work on a 24/7 basis. We always offer at least 50 times more value than what we charge, by way of offering them complementary services, like supporting them with any issues there in the market. We have a huge database with which we support our clients as and when they require such kind of information. We work as a quasi-legal entity wherein we provide them on the job support, on the business support.
What is the core strength of your company, Goodwill and Goodwill?
that over the past 27 years, we have been able to garner more than 40,000 clients. That itself has given us a great strength in the subject matter of trademark and this particular domain. Comparing to any other new entity which has come into the field, we were able to face a lot of trademark related issues in the market, and our clients were able to get better support from us because of the experience that we have gained. And we consider them and their support as the most important asset we have, and rather we consider them as a god in the business scenario.
Are you offering any other support services?
See, when it comes to business, other than intellectual property rights, we help them grow. We help them with many informations, referrals, advices, marketing tips, and various other important requirement which is otherwise not available elsewhere. So they can rather depend on us for any kind of information, which is mainly provided to our clients, our valuable clients, as complimentary service.
What are the challenges facing frequently in your business?
We in the profession of intellectual property right consultancies, there are many social media marketing. There are a large number of people who are offering services at a very minimal charges, which is I don't know whether they will sustain in the long run or not, but that is one of the major challenges now we are facing. Demeaning the profession is not at all acceptable by us, especially people who have come out as a forerunner in the profession. One should not demean a profession of this sort.
What are the future plans of Goodwill and Goodwill?
Goodwill and Goodwill is planning to go nationwide by 2022 with a bunch of services clubbed together, so that even the startup entities can easily be given entire spectrum of services. At the same time, we are strengthening our customer care team so that our clients can be serviced in a better way with more value addition.
Thank you for sharing 27 years experience with Business Premium, Mr. Krishna Kumar. Thank you.
Thank you.
So that's all about Mr. Krishna Kumar of Goodwill and Goodwill, who shared his 27 years of vast knowledge with us. Thank you for watching Business Premium video. We'll definitely come back with a